In the new separator setup for 2018, you can now colour the background of the separator before each page. So this means that you can print to say one tray and have a different colour separator without having to use multiple trays for different types of paper. To use this, you go into Options menu, Separator Banner Setup. Now you can see some new options here at the bottom. You can select the colour of the separator that you want it to be. This is a background colour, so you can any of these colours, and then once you selected it, for example, OK, and you can set the page size of the banner page as well, so it resizes it to that exact size. And then what it does, it processes the separator file and converts it to PDF and adds the background onto it. So because it's doing this, you can then print the separator as a PDF file, which is printed internally, which is much quicker as well, so it doesn't have to launch for example Word. So this setup is exactly the same as before. You just click print like before and it generates a separator, and then it will convert it to PDF and print. So now look at the spook cube. As you can see, it's done the what now is the PDF file separator before the actual print file, and this is an example of what type of output you're going to get with the background. Give it a try.